Ocean first.
And now the pumpkins and the banana.
Pumpkin and banana goes in next. Hi, I'm Caleb Berkeley.
And I'm Elisha Berkeley.
And we're the Berkeley Chefs.
And today we are making
Fall pumpkin pie smoothie.
That's right, you said it.
So if you have pumpkins, or since it's almost fall, or it's fall now, if you have pumpkins, you can make this fantastic smoothie for you to enjoy. So let's get right into it. So we have here pumpkin puree. We have frozen bananas.
Well, let's tell them what you have to do to make the pumpkin puree. So we roast it, then we blend it. So make sure to roast it.
Yeah. And we also have some ginger powder, cinnamon powder, and pumpkin pie spice. And we have our toppings here, some pecans, chocolate chips, and
marshmallows.
We also have 1 cup of almond milk. So we're gonna pour it into our blender. Almond milk goes in first.
And now the pumpkins and the banana.
Pumpkin and banana goes in next. Yeah, make sure our bowl is scraped out good. Just make sure it's scraped.
We don't like wasting things as the Berkeley Chef.
And we also we're gonna pour in our spices. And we're gonna cover.
Now it's just time to blend.
Gonna blend here. So let me show you how to blend now. So this is our high-speed trusty blender here again. And first of all, we have to make sure everything's on low. And then you turn on the switch.
And hold the top of the lid.
And go up.
That's it.
So you blend until it becomes smooth and creamy. And we're gonna
This is how it looks now.
It smells nice, and it looks nice and orange.
Okay.
And we're gonna pour it into 2 glasses for us to taste and eat.
That seemed pretty easy.
So this is more like a shake, so you could, if you want to make it into really thick, you add some flax or some chia powder. But in this case, we're making it like a
smoothie
shake. Okay. So everything's out. There you go. Cover back it. And there you go. And we're gonna put our toppings. So let's put our toppings. We're gonna take out some marshmallow. We put it in. Okay. We're gonna put in our chocolate chips and pecans. You could take.
Okay. Yeah, after you.
Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and let us know what fall pumpkin recipe you want us to make.
Now I'll give you the chance.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like.
You did it? Good. Thanks, because that really helps.
Bye-bye.